Dear children, I welcome you all for my another session. This is Arivu, teacher of English from Bharathidasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. So, this presentation is again for the students of class 11 and I am going to continue the same chapter, that is the poetry from 4th unit, Macavity the Mystery Cat, unit 4 poetry, and it is going to be the third part of the same poem. And you know very well, earlier two more videos were released, that is part 1 and 2, and this is going to be the continuation of the same topic, right. So, have your textbook ready so that you can mark all the meanings and other relevant information needed for your exam, right. So, are you ready for this? Yes. Okay, here we go. This stanza number 7 it is, and you can find the beginning of the stanza itself, right. It is the continuation of the earlier one, number 6, and it is going to be number 7, and so that you can notice this conjunction used here, or. So, it is not a regular beginning, actually the point that is started from the earlier stanza continued here too. And you can even consider the end of this stanza, it is also to be the continuation. So, here also there is no point concluded here, and the continuity you can see in the next stanza too. So, it is like an entire narration of a short story about the mysterious cat Macavity. So, it is not only to be learnt like a poetry, even you can enjoy like a short story, right. I guess the same, most of you who have watched the previous videos might be very eagerly waiting for the conclusion of it, whether he was caught by the police or not. So, even like you, even I am waiting for the same conclusion. What happened at the end of this poetry? What happened to him, the Macavity, whether the mystery is solved or not? I am very eager for it, right. So, here we go again. Let me read once. Or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past repair. Aye, there is the wonder of the thing. Macavity is not there, and when the foreign office find a treatise gone astray, or the Admiralty lose some plans and drawings by the way, or the greenhouse glass is broken. So, in the last stanza we have seen that Macavity is involved in many crime scenes. So, it is going to be the continuation of the same. Here too, in this stanza too, a few more criminal scenes are described, in which it is believed that Macavity is responsible for that also, right. The first one, the greenhouse glass is broken. Even when he tries to jump from one wall to another or from one house to another, some glasses were broken in the city. And not only that, look at the next point, trellis, and the trellis past repair. So, here I write the meaning of this word trellis, kindly note it down. So, trellis is a supporting bar which is used for the creepers. Do you know what is creeper? Creeper is a plant actually which creeps all along, wherever it gets its support, it creeps all along. In many of the buildings or restaurants you can notice, either in the front part of the garden or at the backyard, right, to decorate the garden, to look the place look very beautiful. Generally they grow creepers. Even at your home also you may have creepers. The plants which climb, sometimes your mother may seem to be tying a line or a rope over the compound wall sometimes. So, the creepers, they get the support of those ropes and they creep all along. This is the same. Trellis is the supporting bar mainly used for these creepers. So, when he jumps from one place to another, when he tries to escape from the spot, even he has damaged the trellis also. So, look at the first crime here in this stanza, the glass of a house is broken. Okay, don't mistake it for greenhouse gas, it is glass. Okay, and greenhouse, it refers to just the color of the building maybe. Okay, so there is no particular meaning given for this. So, the glass of a house is broken by him, and later the trellis past repair. He made the trellis to get repaired, and then there is the wonder of the thing. What is that wonder? You know, right? It is like a magic. Every time he does something, he escapes from the spot like a magic. That is why he used the word wonder of the thing. What is that wonder? You know very well, right? Even you can guess it. That is the same. McCavity is not there. So, just in a fraction of seconds, when the crime is committed, he escapes from the spot. That is the wonder of the thing from him. Next. And when the Foreign Office find a treatise gone astray. So, there may be a lot of treaties, agreement signs between one country to another. Every country has its ambassador. For example, our Indian ambassador may be living in America. So, when there is a treaty between two countries, this office, Foreign Office, this ambassador's office and the officers who are working there, they come with a lot of documents to be signed by the other country officers. So, many of the documents, treaties are nothing but the agreements, the documents related to the agreements. They gone astray. Yeah, you have to note down the meaning of this word also, astray. Something went in a wrong place or towards a wrong direction, astray, not in a proper place. So, these documents, these treaties which are supposed to be in those offices, they are missing. Or the next line, look at the next line, the Admiralty. Okay, it is the name of a government department. Note down, it is the name of a government department which administered the British Navy. So, it is considered to be one of the topmost administration. I mean the department related to administration, right. So, British Navy, it is not a simple thing, right. So, in that administrative department itself, he has created a problem. Just think about what kind of master criminal he is, right. So, or the Admiralty lose some plans. Let me write it anyway. It is the department, government department. Okay, it is government department which administered British Navy. Okay. So, the Admiralty lose some plans and drawings by the way. So, this Navy, the Navy department, they have their own plans. They have their own drawings for their travel or for some other plans, maybe whatever it is. So, they have their documents in their office, even those secret drawings and other plans, the documents related to their plans, they were all gone missing. That's why. So, even from the foreign offices, ambassadors' offices also, the documents were gone missing, and not only that, even from this British Navy also. Okay. Actually, that British Navy is administered by the department. From there itself, some plans and drawings were gone missing. That is what described in this stanza, right. I hope you have understood clearly. Let me go for this rhyme scheme. Okay. You know very well how to pick out this rhyme scheme for each stanza. You know very well. So, let me consider the last words again. Repair, there. So, both of these two words, they end with the same sounds. So, I am giving this letter A. First sound, first letter A. Astray, there, astray, no connectivity, right. So, it sounds very different. So, here we can consider this astray, way. See, the next two words, they have the similar sounds at the end of these two words. So, I am giving this letter, next letter B, A, B, B. So, the rhyme scheme of this stanza is A, B, B, like the other stanzas. Okay. So, I hope it is very clear to you. Shall we move on to the next stanza? Okay. Before explaining this, I would like to read the stanza once. Kindly listen to me. There may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair, but it is useless to investigate. McCavity is not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been McCavity, but he is a mile away. So, here a full stop is used up to this, the crimes, in all the crimes for which he is suspected, McCavity is suspected or described one after another. Take a closer look at the first line now. There may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair. So, those documents which were found missing from those offices, that Foreign Office and also from the Admiralty, that is the British Navy, right. From those offices, many documents and drawings, many plans were found missing. And finally, you can find them maybe like a waste paper in the hall or on the stair. Who may be the reason for it? Again, it is going to be McCavity. He has taken away all those drawings, documents, and threw it somewhere else, because he doesn't know the real importance of those documents. Okay, now the second line, but it is useless to investigate. Yes, of course it is useless to investigate, and even you can tell me the reason for it. Why it is useless to investigate? Yes, of course you are right, McCavity is not there. He has never left any evidence, so nobody is going to find his involvement in the crime. And when the loss has been disclosed, revealed. The meaning of this word is revealed. So, when the crime is over, when the investigation started, finally the loss of the crime will be revealed. Even when there is a burglary or robbery in the next street or somewhere, right? So, first day you will get in the news, okay, in this spot or in this town, this robbery happened. And the next day itself, next day or a day after another, they will release the loss. What is the real loss? Maybe 5 sovereigns of jewels gone missing, or important documents were missing from the house, or 10 kgs of silver missing. So, when the loss is revealed, or the secret service say, all the secret the intelligence agencies or the police crime branch, they say, they suspect again, it must have been McCavity. So, even the secret service they say it must be McCavity again. But however they suspect, what is the result? He is a mile away. By the time they start the investigation, he is far away from the crime spot and he has never left any evidence as usual. So, that is how the stanza comes to a conclusion. So, he seemed to be involved continuously in various criminal activities or crime scenes. And again, as usual, the rhyme scheme, it is going to be stare there, A and A, say away, B, B. So, as usual, like every other stanza, here also the rhyme scheme is the same, A, B, B, right. Those of you who watched the first two parts will be eagerly waiting for the next one, that is the conclusion, right, because when we watch a movie, right, the conclusion part is very important. So, even like you, even I am waiting for the conclusion part of it, what happened finally, whether even at the end of this poetry also he remained a puzzle, he remained mysterious or not. Let us find out in the next video. Thank you for watching this.